are you decorating for Christmas this year? If you worship with us online this past weekend, you noticed that we've decorated our altar to remind us of the joy of the season. We began lighting our Advent candles too. Each of the 4 candles are lit during these 4 weeks before Christmas to symbolize the virtues of hope, love, joy, and peace. We need those reminders this year as much as any. So, someone said, should we put up the trees in the sanctuary windows? After all, you won't really see them during the online worship service. And someone else said, wouldn't it be nice for people driving by to see those lit trees through our windows as a reminder that we're still celebrating Christmas? And so the trees are up and lit. Often these trees light up the inside of the sanctuary where hundreds of people gather for worship at Christmas time. This year, these evergreens help bring light to the neighborhood. Evergreen being a reminder of that which continues to grow even during winter's coldest, darkest days. And the light being a reminder that you can't separate the story of Christmas from the light of the star that pierced the night sky with its brilliance. More importantly, the light of Christ gives us direction when we would otherwise be stumbling in the dark. It's natural to turn inward and reflect on Christmas and what it means for us. But putting up these trees reminded us here that we are called to let our light shine for others as well. The Savior isn't born for me or for you, but for us. Christ isn't the Savior for just happy people or contented people or people who are at peace or are comfortable. But Christ is the Savior for all people, the disconsolate, the troubled, the forlorn. You and I, no matter what our station in life, no matter if it's this year or any year. Remember what the beloved Christmas carol says, the hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. We'll see you next time.